Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing great as well. Thank you for asking. So you seem to be a little tired. Are you tired?
Yeah, actually, this is the first time I'm taking session, I think, this late. That's why.
Okay, all right. Why? Why so? Why late?
I'm busy in my office work. And in like for the whole day, I was busy.
Ah,
And later on, after 6, I checked the sessions. So only few slots are available. So that's why I had to book this one.
exactly. And you seem to be very sleepy because your eyes are all red and yeah.
Yes, actually, I'm tired also. I went to hospital today with my mom,
All right.
and she was not well, so for routine
How is
checkup.
she
Yeah,
doing now?
she's fine now.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
this is the first time we are meeting actually. So tell me about yourself.
Yes, first time we're meeting, and from your first name, it seems you're Maharashtrian, and from your last name, it seems you're Bengali. And
Exactly.
I think in your bio, I have read you're from Kolkata, if I'm not wrong.
Exactly. From Kolkata.
So yeah, that's it. And about me, my name is Arushi. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I'm working professional, and yeah, I'm working on my fluency as well, English fluency.
Okay, so you seem to be like good in English, like so, and you had plenty lot of sessions. I see, like more than 150 sessions. So,
Exactly, yeah.
what is it like? A good journey with Clapingo?
Yes, it's an excellent journey with Clapingo. I think I have learned a lot. There were lots of sessions, many tutors, many learnings. So yeah, it's going good, and I'm not sure where I'm gonna stop. So yeah, hopefully, let's see.
Is it like you are addicted to the platform?
Yes, and I think when I am here at Clapingo, I can maintain that consistency always, and I think I'll have to ready, like keep myself motivated and ready for the sessions so that I can speak well. So I
Exactly.
think it is kind of push for me to keep learning and keep growing. That's why I'm here, uh,
Very
like
nice.
content. Yeah.
So you yourself is also very much motivated and very enthusiastic. Like you were so tired today, but like generally, what like, they try to miss out the session because they're feeling tired. Okay, they'll probably have the session like later on or something like that, but you did not miss the session today, so you took the session. That's like a good initiative from your side.
Yeah, actually, and I have to pay for this session and from my pocket itself, so I cannot miss the session. Otherwise I'll have to regret later. Oh, I missed one session.
Yeah,
So that's why.
absolutely. It is like that thing is also there, but even if it's from your pocket, there are people who will feel a little lazy. Chalo, let's not do it today, I'm feeling very tired.
Yeah.
Prefer
What if you
sleeping.
don't take one session? Like, what if you miss one session? It's fine. Yeah, you will have the next
I'll tell you
session.
one thing. So if I would be in a position where you are in, like, if I would be the student and if I would be the client here, not the tutor. Tutor comes with a lot of responsibilities, okay?
Yeah.
And the student position is something like, it is like a pressure for the student. So if I would be the student, I would like, prefer sleeping or prefer like doing something else. I'm a lazy person, okay? And I was never into studies or education or anything like that. I always wanted to like do things which have like what I like. Okay, I did not
Okay, like
like forcing things on me.
that's good. Like for few things, I am also the same, but for few things, if you're working on something for a long time, then I think you'll have to make rules for yourself. You have to maintain a discipline. So that's
Absolutely.
how it is for me, especially in case of English. I feel like it's a long time now, and it's a high time to be consistent and to be disciplined to learn this language. So that's why.
Absolutely. Yeah, exactly. So I guess like I give this question to all my learners. So do you prefer having general conversation? And like one more thing is like, do you want to talk on the topic? So you can choose either one. So you tell me, according to you, I'll move on with it.
All right. So since I was tired, I didn't check the session document. I would be okay with anything, whether it is session document or a general conversation. I'm
Oh,
fine with anything now. Yeah.
all right, all right. So, like you tell me, it's an option for you. So whatever you are okay with, I'll go on with that.
All right, we'll go with the session document. But before that, I think I have had sessions with many tutors from different parts of India, but I
Okay.
haven't had session with anyone from Kolkata. So I would like to ask you, like, tell me something about Kolkata. And the one question coming in my mind right now is it like Kolkata or Calcutta, and why the spellings are different? What should
Yeah.
we pronounce?
Okay, I'll explain you that. So Calcutta is the name given by the British. Okay. So
Okay.
before it was Calcutta, but the name has changed and updated now. So it's Kolkata. Okay, it's got a much more Bengali name. I don't know the meaning of Kolkata. Like there's no meaning, I guess. Like there's no meaning of Delhi, Mumbai. There's no
Ah,
meaning. Like
yeah, yeah.
Mumbai was also known as Bombay. Now
Bombay, yeah.
now it's Mumbai, right? So similar thing. Kolkata was Calcutta. Now it's Kolkata. So names change like that. So that is the reason behind it. And if I talk about Kolkata, so Kolkata is the city of joy. People come here and they they feel very happy. And I myself, being a girl from Kolkata, if I go out for a trip and when I'm going, I'm like excited. But when I come back, I'm double excited to get back to my city, to my home and all.
Okay.
Yeah, like the minute I hit the airport or the minute I hit the station platform, I'm like, there's a particular smell of your city, and it's like a warm, right? So
Wow.
I enjoy that thing a lot.
All
And
right. It's so nice.
so people come here for the food. Kolkata's food is like, people
Yeah.
love it actually. And a Bengali platter is like, it's like a wholesome meal, and it's like a monster meal. Okay, so it's like many dishes put together, and it forms the Bengali meal.
Are you Bengali?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, Mukherjee. Yeah, obviously.
And
All
Ruchi
right.
is
So,
like it sounds Maharashtrian. You said right?
yes, yes.
No idea. Like I see. Like I don't look like to be a Bengali. People have said that. They say I look like to be a Nepali. If you say I look like to be a Christian, Anglo Indian, and all. I don't know. I'm a
Okay,
poor.
that's so good. And what I have heard is, like, when it comes to Bengali food, fish and rasgulla, these two things are very famous. Other
Yeah.
than this, is there anything like which is not well known but it's super delicious?
Yeah, so not something, but many things you can say. So
Oh,
we have this mutton curry, which is like very famous. Okay, then we have
okay.
pulao. So the Bengali type of pulao is like very very delicious. It's something I love the most. Then you have posto. Okay, posto is like it's a paste of a seed. Okay, and then
Okay.
you make it with aloo. So we call it aloo posto. And in sweets also you have many sweets which are delicious. There's Rajbhog. There is chom chom. Okay, malai
Okay, yeah.
package. Even like the thing you said jalebi, we call it
Hmm.
jilipi. Okay, so there's an orange
Jalebi.
version of jilipi which is known as the amethi. Okay, even that is very nice.
Okay. I have heard few names. I think one of the TV shows that Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, there is that one character. She's from Bengal, so she keeps saying these names. So I have heard few names, like
Uh,
few dishes. Yeah.
So now
All
you
right.
tell me about yourself. So like, what is your life like? How will you describe your life?
Okay, so as you are so much fond of Kolkata, of course, I am from Maharashtra, so I also like love my state and city a lot. But having said that, I have to keep traveling from Nagpur to Pune or Pune to Nagpur because my hometown is in Nagpur, but my workplace is Pune. So I keep traveling from one place to another. And yeah, I like both the places a lot. It's not like it's my hometown, so I'm not liking that. I don't like Pune. No, I like Pune a lot too, because both the cities come under one state, that is Maharashtra. So almost all the things are same. There is no much difference. So that's how my life going on. And currently I'm staying at home only because it's work from home going on for a few more months, and then again
Where are you working?
I am working in Pune.
Pune. Okay. Like for any
Yeah.
IT company or something?
Yeah, one of the IT companies I'm working. Yes.
Okay.
What do
Okay.
you do, like, apart from Clapingo?
So basically, I am a graduate and I'm also a private tutor. So it's been 4 to 5 years
Okay.
I'm tutoring children going to school and all. But apart from that, like I took a gap in between, my English honors and masters because I wanted to figure out what to do and what not to. Like in between, I wanted to do a language course. Okay, like I wanted to learn 2 more languages, but I realized that it's gonna be too much time consuming. So I'll be like
Yes.
like I need to plan it accordingly because the investment of time is like if I invest it there, I cannot do anything else.
Right. Right.
I have to either do masters, like I'll be doing masters in the next semester. That's what I've planned. And Clappingo is
All
like a
right.
platform. So yeah.
Okay. It seems you enjoy like teaching people or guiding people, because you, uh, in the beginning of the video only you mentioned that you only do things which you like doing.
Yeah,
So it
absolutely.
seems you enjoy teaching.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for remembering that. But yeah, like teaching is something. I got this habit from my grandfather. So he used to be an English tutor. So after
Okay.
his position was kind of taken by me at a very early age.
Okay.
Yeah, and I am very very talkative. So like I can be like irritating for some people. I can also be like very interesting for some people. So yeah.
But I think being talkative is always better than being silent, because talkative people, if you're too much talkative, then you can be irritating for some people. But if you're silent, then you can be irritating for everyone. So
For many.
you could be, yeah, for many people. So I think it's way better to talk to people, because I also like talking to people instead of staying silent and awkward and being into awkward situation. So it's
Exactly.
better to talk and figure things out.
Even I feel like that, and I love talking my heart out. Okay, and I am like very blunt, very straightforward. So nothing. It feels like nothing stops. So at times I
Oh.
need to like my family is like you need to filter your words, before you talk to people. Yeah, otherwise it'll be
it
yes.
it happens to me as well, and I think the topic is also about the same. Like, I just
Finally,
opened it
you're
before
right.
us,
Yeah,
right? Okay.
exactly.
Actually, I didn't understand it well, but I think I am right, right?
Yeah,
Somewhere
finally you're
I
right.
got it.
Means, hanging out with somebody who matches your vibe, who is like you only.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, great. So I think somehow we are going to our topic, towards our
Yeah.
topic.
Coincidence. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Because my family also keeps saying that no one likes you in the family, so you need to control what you're saying. You need to choose your words wisely. You need to uh, shut your mouth somewhere. So these
You
are
need
the
to
things they
mimic
keep
your words
saying.
exactly.
Hmm. Right. You should
Body
know where to
language,
speak, what to speak,
and
and
these
all those
happen,
things.
and as I am very straightforward, people think I'm arrogant, but I'm not. I just want to say the truth. That's all.
And I think our half of the life has already I think, yeah, passed by proving people that it is not arrogance, it is just that what I'm trying to tell you, this is my opinion, this is not arrogance.
Exactly.
So
Yeah. And this happens with the girls only. I've seen that, especially.
mostly,
Yeah, exactly. Because boys
because
are
I
they
think,
will not listen to anybody. They will do ultimately whatever they feel like doing.
yeah, and people won't judge boys easily as much as they judge girls. that is the reason we get pointed out every time, I think.
Yeah, exactly. And this happens with the family, of a girl's family will only have these kind of issues.
Absolutely, I understand this.
Exactly. Yeah. So I don't know, like today
So,
you were very tired, so I would definitely love to have another session because like I actually enjoyed talking to you. So get connected any
yeah,
other
sure.
time as well.
Of course, of course. I'll also love to have another session with you. Let's see in near future. But it's
Yeah,
really like lovely talking to you. It didn't feel like it's the first time I'm having session with you. So thank you so
exactly.
much.
Thank you so much. It means a lot for me as well. And about the feedback, I feel like you're a good speaker only. Okay, like you just made very minor, very, very minor
Yeah.
errors, very minor. Like you covered it up very well. So other than that, I feel like you're a good speaker. You can manage talking. You can become a good public speaker also. So yeah. And
Thank
apart from that, just carry on. I haven't asked you also. So what do you do for your self practice?
Self practice, I think currently I'm just doing the normal things which I have been practicing from a long time, like reading. I read, I watch shows sometimes on Netflix or on YouTube, and these practice sessions on Clapingo. These are the things I'm doing.
Exactly. And like so carry on like listening to movies and all because that is also like it'll interest you. That'll be very interesting for you. And eventually unconsciously you learn a lot.
Yeah, right. Because you will, like there's a normal conversation in that movie or shows going on, so you understand what to say, where to say. So yes,
Exactly.
I am getting these points now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So thank you for having my time. Had a beautiful time. And this was my
same
last
here.
session basically for today. So
Okay.
yeah, take care of
Yeah,
yourself.
then. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night. Yeah, take care.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Bye. Yeah.